Everybody is using Wi-Fi, and when I entered this company, Wi-Fi was not there. So if I go to the business trip, I don't need to work at night because there is no Wi-Fi. But now everybody can work anywhere, any place because of the Wi-Fi technology. That is because we invented a very small antenna for ThinkPad. So the next place will introduce you how we are designing that kind of very small antenna. All right. Okay. So before showing the antenna, let me introduce you about our audio. After the coronavirus, many people are also pay attention about the quality of the sound because of the meeting device. So here is where we are evaluating the audio sound. So please come in. This room is very quiet because these sponges are absorbing the sound. So this is his favorite area.
Very quiet.
So are you okay to close the door? Yeah. All right. So if somebody feels uncomfortable, please let me know, sir.
Okay. So
Now it's quite
yeah,
Really quiet.
very quiet. So let me start the introduction about our new audio design. We call it the speaker and the keyboard. And generally the speaker, you can see the put the speaker to the bottom firing, yeah, this technology is put speaker under the keyboard and firing to the like this here. Okay, the background is we strongly improved the audio performance from 2019. But you can see the around the speaker many components exist like antenna or battery, and to play the richer bass we need more space for the speaker box. So actually finally the system size getting bigger or heavier. So to consider such things, we changed the idea and we optimize the speaker position and placement. This is the new our technology, and as a result, we can reduce the system size and also weight, but keep the speaker sound.
If the speaker unit is small, we can only provide very small sounds. But the speaker unit is large. According to that, sound will become larger. But we don't have any space, so that's why he decided to put the speaker backside of the keyboard. So this is a kind of a technology breakdown, breakthrough.
What's the year difference between these two models?
This is 2 years old,
Okay.
and this is the latest one called X9.
So is it still under development
This is
phase or has it been launched?
It's already launched, so you can buy it.
Transistor size is same, but the box size is a little bit bigger than this one. Yeah, because we can shrink the space for the speaker and get a larger speaker box. And this is a slit, and we can add the waterproof mesh. So you can maybe this new one has no speaker hole. So maybe it is best for some outside area usage. Yeah, no speaker damage. Yeah, no dust. Yeah.
Yeah, this speaker sometimes causes problem because speaker is always vibrating. So if the sound is large enough, sometimes it is causing rattling noise.
Yeah.
So that's why we're using screw here and there in the speaker. But even with those screws, if some components are hitting on the speaker, we hear the vibration noise. So putting the speaker backside of the keyboard, it was very, very challenging.
So we optimize some lovable shape or some each alignment of this speaker and get the very less vibration system. So yeah, we don't need to care some vibration noise even we put under the keyboard.
Is there a particular machine to measure the vibration, or you just feel it?
No, we are verifying that such kind of vibration during our test phase, and in case we feel some kind of vibration, we will fix it before launch.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's move to the our favorite Wi-Fi that makes us work any place, anytime. So same as that chamber. I'm sorry.
What are these shoes used for?
Oh no, no need to. So I don't know what purpose is that. I've never wear that slippers. All right, so this is the chamber for Wi-Fi antenna, and he will explain how we are using it.
Yeah, hello everyone. So please come here. Yeah, I'm Lee from RF team. So I'd like to introduce you our antenna miniaturization activities. So yeah, look at here. This is first generation of our yoga product. At that generation, the antennas are all located on the top of the LCD. Yes. If you come close, you can see. Yeah. The antennas are at the top of the LCD. So to cover the antennas, there will be a very fat bezel here. So it makes the ID not so good.
So this is the best place for antenna to put.
Yes.
But if you put antenna here, there is some black areas which cannot display anything, and that's what we want to avoid. So we decided to move antenna somewhere else.
Yes, and then in the latest generation, we moved antenna to the bottom side of the systems, so we can make the bezel very thin, and it looks cool in ID. Yeah, so, and for this is the same model with this. So where we put the antennas, if you look at this system, you can know that we put the Wi-Fi antenna here at the hinge. Yes, there are two antennas. So here is also the same one. Yeah, you know that for antenna design there are two very important things. First is the antenna should not be overlapped with metal parts. Otherwise, the RF signal will not be received by antenna. So here in the hinge, we are using a non-metal materials for the hinge cap. Therefore, we can get RF signal go through to receive by antenna. And by rotating the LCD of all angles, it will be the antenna will get full received signals. And the second one is there should be a stable antenna ground beside the antenna. In this design, we are using this metal hinge part. That means this part is not only rotating the LCD, but also working as an antenna ground. That makes us to be able to miniaturize the antenna. And this is a unique technique we are using by Lenovo. Which we made different from other companies. In the real office environment, usually the access point is at ceiling. But for system who receive the wireless signals, it can not only pick it's not only picking the signals direct from the access point, but also the reflections from like walls or the bottom everywhere. So there are signals from all of the directions. That means we can not only design antenna for one direction, but also the only antenna. And to verify each angle of the antenna, so we're using this chamber. You can go inside.
Can we?
These are not the simple kitchen sponge, but these sponges are very special to absorb the radio waves.
Here, inside this chamber, there's a reference antenna installed on that wall. And by rotating the test machine, we can verify antenna performance of each angle. Yes, now it's rotating. Yes.
So using this chamber, we are making sure, even though we put the antenna in the lower areas, antenna can receive the enough signal.
Yes, because I said there will be reflectors from the wall. So this time for the test, we need to get only one direction. So we need to use this absorbers that provide to avoid the reflector. And also to shut down the noise from outside, we're using a very thick wall for this chamber. And the test is also useful like this. We're considering the real Wi-Fi wireless connectivity. If we are using
This is not a simple balloon picture. But this is the how our antenna performance.
the antenna receiving signal from each direction, and it makes visualized like this. So considering if you are using system here a very weak signal environment, if we make antenna performance like this, we can avoid of the connectivity issues. And of course, we cannot design a very good antenna at very first. So we need to tune it to get better and better. And that is what we are doing in our 5 teams. Thank you.
Right. So any question?
I've got one. I mean, it's so scientific in here. Do you guys publish any scientific papers based on your research? Because this is what universities would do as well.
Yeah, that's correct. And we are not publishing our papers outside of Lenovo very often. But inside of Lenovo, we have such kind of so-called paper contest. So every engineers are writing papers every year or twice a year, and we're doing the contest of how good those papers are. So,
and also we are submitting patents. Patents for example, this is also a patented technology.
okay.
So none of the competitors have the same thing for the hinge, the Wi-Fi interceptors in the hinge.
Well, Lenovo, you
This
need-
the
is
place
unique,
it somewhere
Lenovo
else?
unique.
That's our patent. Nobody can do the same thing.